Hello everyone, I am Shodhar Garetti. Present, I am pursuing BTech third year in Kale University. Today, I am here to present my skill development project 3. My problem statement is electricity billing system. This project is a modern version of the traditional electricity billing system. The focus of this project is to computerize the electricity billing system to make it more seamless, accessible and efficient. The software calculates the units consumed within a specific time duration and accordingly calculates the amount of money to be paid for those units. In this project, we have 5 modules. Admin check, super admin check, customer module. In admin check, there are 3 sub-modules: substation module, electricity department module, bill checker module. We developed our application using Spring Boot microservices, front-end for JSP, database for MySQL. Our teammates are Case Harshvardhan, T. Sai Bargo, and me. We put a lot of efforts to develop this application. Our title of our project is Express Bill Payment. Make electricity bill payment online at instant time. In this video, I will describe and explain each and every module clearly. This is my this is our home page or global page which can be accessed for everyone. Our project is user friendly and technical feasibility approved by the Government of India, Government of Andhra Pradesh, which this picture indicates the meter and how to payment the bill, and this graph indicates household electricity, trends electricity demand, total generation of electricity in homes, calculation of the bill customer. In this project, we have totally 5 modules. Customer module. In admin module, we have substation, admin check substation, electricity department, bill checker, super admin director, which is a principal secretary in electricity department. Customer can log in his own credentials. If customer don't have an account, register here. I am already a member in this project. I am registered. I am going directly from login here. I am giving my username and password. If username and password is wrong, it will display. I am giving correct credentials. If login, it will directly redirect to dashboard page. Here customer can manage account details. Here, this is my account details, my consumer name, email, phone and Aadhaar number. If first customer link his service number which is present in the electricity bill. I am updating my service number. See here, update my service number. Update my service number and link with mobile number. If I want to update my mobile number, I will update. Link with email address, link with Aadhaar number. This is most important. I am linking here from Aadhaar number. I linked. Sorry. I linked with Aadhaar number. And billing and payments, customer can pay bill online, view bill, view pending dues, view his payment history, view consumption history. Customer can view total 1 year history. Customer can register complaint, and customer can view his status of customer can view his complaint history. Other services, customers and ask for LC request. LC in the sense, if a customer builds any building, he wants power cutting for some time, customer can view customer can send a request and approved by the electricity department. Supply customer can view supply details, customer can view LC details, customer can upload any instance, customer can view drift plan. I will explain each and every module in detail. First I am going register complaint. Already I shown account details, which can manage customer account details. Next I am going for complaints related. Now I am registering complaint. I am registering from complaint here. For example, I am sending any complaint. Enter my service number, enter my full name, my phone number. My complaint type is suppose transformer related complaint subtype is our transformer is not working properly. Remarks not good. I am sending complaint sent successfully. I can view my complaint status. See my complaint status. If solved by the electricity substation, view status here. Already update. I will show how it works. Complaint history. I can view complaint ID and create a date. Which I send completed and time and date here. View my complaint status also here. This admin check substation. Login is one credentials. There is no registration for admin. Okay. Substation admin can add supply details, can view customers, can view complaints. I sent a recently I sent a complaint. Now I am updating the complaint. Update solved. If electricity is substation is solved our complaint, admin can update our complaint. Update. We can see here solved. We can see in customer module. Just refresh the page. SC solved. If complaint is solved, our status will be updated here. All the complaints will be solved by the substation department admin. Substation department admin. Again, I will show each and every admin here. This is electricity department of admin. Electricity department admin. Add customers, view customers, and delete the customers. I am adding the customers here. Randomly I am adding the customers here. Add customer, it will directly redirect to the here. You can delete the customer. Check complaints. If complaints is solved by the electricity department or not, you can delete the complaints. See here, I am delete the complaint. You can check healthy request, view incidents. Here I am not come here. I will explain next very clearly for each and every admin. Admin login. Bill checker admin. Bill checker admin can log in his own credential, no registration. Directly add customers, view customers, payments, add bills, view payments, add consumptions, add pending dues, and manage units, and also add drifts, add drift plan. Is the super admin, principal secretary of the electrical department, principal secretary of the electrical department. Super admin check log in his own credentials. Now I am explaining what is going in our project, each and every module in clear-cut manner. I explained account details. The customer can manage his account details. Now I am going complaints related. Customer can register his complaint. I showed with validations. If complaint is received by the substation, if complaint is solved, he will be update solved. Substation will update. Customer can check if complaint is solved or not. Complaint status, see here, complaint is solved, and complaint history also customer can check. Complaint is solved. This electricity department verify if complaint is solved or not. If complaint is solved, if they will ignore. If complaint is unsolved, they immediately they will meet. They will approach substations admin. Again, customer request LC. This is the customer need to request LC. The customer request already we give validations for this. Customer can view LC details. There is a 3 validations. There is a substation pending. Directly if check view LC request, electricity department view LC request and delete the LC request. If all documents are verified, they give approved by the AE or ADE update. Check here, approved by AE. If electricity department approved LC request, immediately substation will check LC request. If electricity department status will update, a substation update transformer number for which they need for LC. Again substation will update status approved. If both will approve, customer will receive LCs. LC. I am refreshing the page. LC make in the sense requesting or cutting times. And again view LC request. Yes, complete other services supply. Customer can view their supply details, service number, name, connection type LT or HT, Panchayat means village, Palwai, Mandal, Guntur and Chindala, transformer number, substation name, lineman contact. Anytime we can see lineman contact. If lineman is updated, substation will update supply details here. Supply details here. AE contact. If AE is changed, substation admin can update the number. ADE contact, DTR code or feeder code is none. Customer no need for that. We think if any incident is occurred because of electricity or current shocking, customer can immediately respond and update is complaints. Now I am updating any complaint from upload incidents. Upload, yes, customer upload the instance. These incidents responded by the electrical department and see the incidents, and immediately they respond, and immediately this response goes to the electricity department and they can receive and check the incidents where it is done and solve immediately. Substation can view power cutting times. Electricity department add power cutting times for this day. For example, date. On this day, connection type HT, three phase starts. Three phase means for fields, power cutting times starts 2 p.m. Three phase ends 5 p.m. Power duration 3. According to department, substation follows the power cutting times. Substation can view their power cutting times. Add general LC. If any LC is taken by the lineman or helper, they immediately uh, they need to update in website. Electricity department add general LC and view general LC's connection type LT. LC starts ends, LC duration time, how much time, the date time. It will on record everything. Now I am going for bill checker module. uh, Customer can bill checker admin add bills, manage view payments, gateway, how much, add consumption details, add consumption details, add pending dues, add pending dues. Now I am going for customer module. Customer can pay bill, view bill. This month customer bill is customer can pay online here using Paytm or Southern API. First I am going Southern Power API, entering my service number, full name, state, amount. I am representing 1 rupee. I am going for debit card, pay. Yes, payment is success. Now I am going to now I am visit my view my payment history. This is my payment history. Customer can view payment history. Consumption history. Customer can consume history from whole entire year. Bill date, bill month, meter status, due date, disconnect date, net units, how much units he charged, bill amount, fixed charge, other charges. If any fine occurs, it will display here. View pending dues. If suppose customer is not paid amount for this month, it will add it to next month. Next month, and according for his delay, he had fine also. Previous month, for example, his previous month customer due is 20 July 2021, August 20, present month is August 2021. Previous due amount is 40, present due amount is 50. Customer not paid last amount, you will add it to the next month along with fine. For previous due amount is 50, present due amount is 50, fine is 10, total amount is 100. Customer can view this pending amount and customer can pay bill online. Click here, service number, customer ID, select retail, web, amount, pay bill here. This will redirect to Paytm. We will scan, through scanner also we can pay. Now I am proceed. Enter your Paytm account number, verify one-time password. You will receive one-time password. Just take a minute. I didn't receive no one-time password. Yes, I received one-time password for my Paytm. 423176. Verify. It will verified by the Paytm. As it is rewriting, it takes some time. Yes, I didn't have any money in Paytm. Now I am proceeding with net banking or debit or credit cards. Now I am proceeding with debit card, entering my card validations. Entering my card validations. Entering my card validation. Just wait a minute. I'm searching my card. Just I received my code and entering the details. They will accept any debit card or credit card, RuPay or Visa. Pay. Successful. I received bill from here. Yes, my payment has been declared by bank. If so, some of the reasons, if I received a mail, if payment is done, I received a mail. I used payment gateway successfully here in my project. Okay, um, bill checker can view all bills. Bill customer can view payments here. If payment is done or not, he will verify. If it is not done, add pending dues and add consumption. Now I'm going again. Explain all modules. Customer can view their TRIF plan, service number, category, subcategory, monthly consumption up to 75 units, fixed cost 10, TRIF plan 0 to 15 range 2 rupees, 15 to 100 4 rupees. This TRIF plan is given by the government of Andhra Pradesh or government of India. In bill checker module, they can add TRIF plan. Admin can add TRIF plan. When going super admin module, super admin access, view the customers and delete the customers, view payments if the payments is done in time or not, check complaints if the complaint is checked, solved by the electrical department or substation, view incident. Super admin have all the access to view, check LC request, it is not solved or not solve a power related, view three phase time, power cuttings, view general LCs. Super admin can have all the access. Now I'm logged. This is our project. We put a lot of efforts to build an application on this. We are really thankful to our mentor, our CC Surikaran Janalagota sir, and my JFSD faculty is Ashish sir, and our web mentor is also Ashish sir. Um, Really thankful guys for watching this. This is our skill development project 3, which is going in hackathon in our college. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.